In this video, I'll show you how to generate a personal access token on GitHub. A personal access token, also called a PAT, is used to authenticate with GitHub when you are using Git, the GitHub API, command line tools, or third-party apps. It works like a password, so you should keep it private and only give it the permissions you actually need. First, open GitHub in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. Next, scroll down the left side menu and click Developer Settings. From there, select Personal Access Tokens. GitHub may show different token options, such as fine-grained tokens and tokens classic. For most modern use cases, choose fine-grained token. Then click Generate New Token. GitHub may ask you to confirm your password or complete two-factor authentication before continuing. Now give the token a clear name, such as VS Code Access, API Script, or Project Deployment. After that, choose an expiration date. It is safer to set an expiration instead of creating a token that never expires. Next, choose which repositories the token can access. You can allow access to all repositories, but for better security, select only the specific repository you need. Now choose the permissions. For example, if you only need to read repository information, choose read-only access. If you need to push code or manage files, choose the correct write permissions. Avoid selecting permissions you do not need. After reviewing everything, click Generate Token. GitHub will show the token only once, so copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager. When using Git or another app, paste the token when GitHub asks for a password or access token. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.